They are same age. Why does one person look 40 while another looks 70? Stanford University School of Medicine. A groundbreaking study from Stanford University found the answer. It's not genetics. It is a hidden fire in your blood called iAge. If this fire is burning, you are aging twice as fast as your friends.
What a day! I feel so alive out here.
Me too. It's the perfect weather for a walk.
Today, we extinguish it. Your 100-year companion, guiding you through life's journey together.
The morning zombie.
Did you sleep for 8 hours last night? But when you woke up, did you feel like you just fought a bear? Or maybe you felt like the bear won. You drink coffee. You stretch, but the fog doesn't go away. Your knees ache. You feel old.
Good morning, zombies. I have news for you. That feeling isn't just aging.
There is a fire burning inside your body right now.
It's called chronic inflammation, and today we are going to put it out.
The science. Good fire versus bad fire.
Not all inflammation is bad.
Acute inflammation is like a SWAT team. You get a cut, the SWAT team rushes in, kills the bacteria.
Bacteria alert! Time to clean up!
Whoa, cut again!
All right, out you go!
Heals the wound.
And then leaves. That's good. This is good inflammation. Chronic inflammation.
That's like a house guest who comes for dinner and never leaves. They eat your food, sleep on your couch, and slowly set your furniture on fire. Researchers at Stanford University found that this hidden fire is the #1 driver of aging.
This hidden fire drives aging.
It attacks your joints, clouds your brain, and drains your energy battery.
Engagement, the zombie check.
How do you know if you are on fire? Let's take the zombie test.
#1, brain fog. You walk into a room and forget why. We all do this, but do you do it a lot? #2, belly fat. You eat salad, but your belly grows. Inflammation loves belly fat. #3, joint pain. Your knees predict the weather better than the weatherman.
Okay, be honest. How many check marks did you get? Are you a fresh human or are you a total zombie? Pause the video right now and comment zombie or human below. Don't worry, I read every comment. Be honest.
Solution 1. The brown warning. Cooking.
So, how do we stop the fire? First, look at your toast. Is it dark brown? Is your meat crispy? That brown color creates AGEs, advanced glycation end products. Think of AGEs as sticky glue inside your blood. When you fry or grill food at high heat, you are creating inflammation bombs. The fix? You don't have to change what you eat. Just change how you cook. Try steaming. Or boiling instead of frying. It tastes cleaner, and your joints will thank you.
Solution 2. Close the door. Dental floss.
Number 2 is your gums.
Why do gums bleed? Irritated gums and hidden plaque are a common cause.
Think of your gums like a door to your bloodstream. If there is trash stuck in the hinge, the door cannot close. That trash is the plaque. Your toothbrush is too big to reach it. So the door stays open, and bacteria rush into your blood. This is why you need dental floss. It is the only tool that removes the trash from the hinge. Once the plaque is gone, your gums heal, the bleeding stops. And the door to your bloodstream locks shut. Stop the bleeding. Stop the inflammation.
Solution 3. The humming trick.
Finally, the weirdest one. I want you to hum, like a bee. Why? Because humming vibrates your vagus nerve.
The vagus nerve runs from the brainstem through the neck and into the chest and abdomen.
This is the main nerve that tells your body, it's okay, relax, turn off the fire. It sounds crazy, but doing this for just 5 minutes a day lowers inflammation markers. Try it in the shower. Nobody is listening.
Safety check. When to call a doctor.
Listen carefully.
Sometimes, inflammation is a sign of something bigger. If you have any of these 3 red flags, turn off YouTube and call your doctor immediately.
3 red flags.
Number 1. Night sweats. 1. If you wake up soaking wet with sweat, that is not normal aging. Number 2. Unexplained weight loss. 2. If you are losing weight without trying, your body is burning energy to fight a serious enemy. It could be cancer.
I don't know why I'm losing so much weight. I haven't changed my diet or exercise. Doctor, I've lost a lot of weight without trying.
I see. How much weight?
About 20 pounds. I'm worried.
Number 3. Pain that wakes you up at night. 3. If your pain is so bad it wakes you up from sleep, that is a major warning sign.
If you have any of these, stop watching and call your doctor. Call your doctor immediately.
Please don't say, I'm just getting old. These are distress signals from your body. Do not ignore them.
As we age, we must protect ourselves. You are important. Protect yourself with care.
But for most of us, cooling down the fire is simple. Steam your food, floss your teeth, and hum a little tune. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me keep the lights on and keep the fires out. I'm Steve. Stay cool, my friends.